Well, I have a little radiator dilemma on this 64 Barracuda. This radiator came off of my 1965 Valiant. It's for a slant 6. It's 2 rows. It's the same width on the core, and it is for an automatic. My slant 6 was an automatic. This is my radiator that came out of my Barracuda, and it's for an automatic also. It's the same core width. It's 2 rows. It's the same, basically the same radiator with just a little different neck configuration. And I was wondering how it can cool 273 cubic inches, and this cools 225 cubic inches. And then I've got this other radiator that not really sure where it came from. It might have come from a 67 Barracuda, but I got the numbers here on it. 3443977, and then possibly this, I don't know which number does what, but this is a 18398. It's definitely a 3-row. It's, the necks are different. It is hard automatic. It's a little bit wider than the others, so I believe it'll do more cooling. But just wanted to know maybe if any of you know what that radiator goes to. Thanks for your help.